Usually what they teach is to have your, between here and here, have your body at 45 degrees this way, squared up to the board here to be at 45 degrees. And that way your arm is perpendicular to the cutting board, and it's easier to see and make even cuts if everything's at 90 degrees. So instead of moving a little bit this way and cutting, like some people tend to cut like this, right, where the object is.
Yeah, I see what you mean, like a triangle.
Yeah, this way your arm can move in a straight line and everything is squared to the board. These 90-degree lines. It's more natural. It takes stress off your wrist because your wrist can lie totally straight on this sort of this 45-degree bevel on the handle, which is where you want your finger to be. You can have your hand really relaxed and cut in a stress-free position. If you're cutting with a pinch grip like this, there's so much stress. Even if it doesn't feel like there's a lot of pressure on your wrist, there is. Some people get used to it, but everything's out of alignment in your hand, and it makes for an unnatural cutting motion. If you have your hand with your finger resting at 45 degrees from the spine, so this being 90 and this being 0, at 45 here, your arm is able to move with your wrist really, really neutral.